It's just lovely tea.
Smoky tea as well.
Was it?
Yeah, it's smoked Earl Grey.
Should we start the video?
Yeah, we should.
Okay.
Macro photography looks great, but the prices for macro lenses, not so much. Today I'm going to show you how to get some macro shots with some duct tape and a Pringles tube. Firstly, you'll need a Pringles tube, some duct tape and a lens. A focal length around 50mm works the best. Oh, and you'll also need a knife. Okay, to build it, grab your Pringles tube and cut it at 12cm in length. Then attach your lens using some duct tape. Make sure to look down the tube to look for light leaks and seal them up with some extra duct tape. Grab the other end of your Pringles tube, make 8 incisions, fold down 4 flaps, and then cut the excess off. Then attach the other end of the tube to the camera body. When you use an extension tube, you're going to lose a lot of light. To overcome this, it's a good idea to add some light to your subject. In order to focus, you need to physically move the body and the lens closer to the subject. If you want to change your aperture for any reason, for example increasing your depth of field, and you don't have a lens with an aperture control ring, you're going to have to do it with this nifty trick. To change it, you'll initially have to set the desired aperture with the lens attached to the body. Then hold down the depth of field preview button whilst you remove the lens. This works on Canon, but it may be different for other brands of camera. Then grab your Frankenstein camera and capture those magnificent macro subjects. This may look weird, but it does allow you to capture some really unique shots on a really low budget. If you try it, I'd love to see your results. Don't forget to use the hashtag on the screen.
It's downwards, it's downwards, no, just, no, down, down, up, middle, up, no, down, 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 middle, middle, there we go.
There. That's gonna go on for far too long.
I went on for 1 minute and 27 of you just doing that.